Hi, this is Drew at Headset Advisor, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the static in your Plantronics CS540 or CO540 wireless headset. So let's jump right in. We have the CS540 here, or better known as the CO54. If you turn the charging base upside down, it's going to say model CO54. If you're experiencing static, this video is going to help you get rid of that. Or if you're experiencing that your headset used to work and now it no longer works, this video may help you out as well. If this doesn't help you by the end of the video, reach out to us here at Headset Advisor or leave a comment on this video and we'll respond to you or help you out further to see if we're able to help you fix the headset or determine if it's a defective headset. As always, we would greatly appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. All right, so to fix the static, number one, you want to take the charging base and move it away from your desk phone. So let me put the desk phone in the shot. You don't want it right next to the desk phone. You want to move it away. Number two, we want to do a reset. So if that didn't fix it by just simply moving the headset further away from your desk phone, we want to do a reset, and that's going to require you to, number one, let me remove the headband really quick. Number one, you want to unplug the AC power. So that's going to power it off. Then we want to remove the battery. And this is very easy. Just slide off the cover. You're going to have a small battery in there. Unplug the battery, like you see. Wait 10 seconds. Reinstall the battery, like that. Place the cover back on, put the headset in the charging base, and replug the AC power. The battery is it's gonna take about 5 seconds for the headset to resync to the charging base. You wanna make sure right here, there's a green LED light. You wanna make sure that's on. If that's solid green, that means your headset is fully charged. If it's flashing, that means your battery is charging. After you do both of these steps, number one, moving the headset away from your desk phone, and number two, performing a full reset, this should help get your headset working back to like it was prior to whatever, after whatever happened to cause it to stop working. Now, one last thing, one trick I'll give you is let's just set the settings on the bottom of the charging base. You want to just double check these settings to make sure they're on the factory default. So you want to go to the bottom of the charging base. You have an A through G switch, set that to A. You have a speaker and a microphone switch. Go ahead and set those to number 2. As long as all of that is done, your headset should work great and it should fix that static or your headset not working any longer. And that really sums up how you fix static or your headset not working on the Plantronics CS540. If we can help, reach out to us here at Headset Advisor and we'll be more than glad to see how we can assist. And thanks for watching this video.